This is the E&R show. I'm Rara.
I'm Ella.
And we have a request from Momo, my auntie, her sister, of Blair Witch. Well, we're outside, and it's really freaking dark, almost. Not really dark, but it's almost there. And we're outside getting bit up by mosquitoes. So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do this. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. And what you have to do...
Inside now?
That's crazy. No, that's fine. Oh, excuse me. Yeah.
I ain't walking through that spider web again.
Spider web. Yes.
Spider web.
Okay.
You hear that? You hear that? Oh my god. Can you hear that? You hear that?
Hear what?
You didn't hear that?
Hear what?
Oh my god, you didn't hear that.
No, I didn't hear anything.
That's creepy.
What? What? What?
Oh my god!
What? 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 Come on! What? Ella, wait! Ella, wait! Ella! Ella! Where are you at, Ella? Ella! I just lost Ella, and I don't know where she is, and we're out here, and I don't know where she went. She just disappeared. She said she heard something. Oh my god. Ella! 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 Where you at? I can't see you. Look at that. I'm really scared. I don't know what to do. I lost her. I don't know what to do. Ella! Oh my god. Oh my god. Ella! Oh my god. Ella! Ella! Oh my god. Who's there? Oh my god. Who's there? Oh my god. Who's there? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm going home.